Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Teller Brothers Business Center here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This is a ThyssenKrupp elevator with impulse buttons. C4, 4 is locked, go to 3. Here on 3. Go back down to ground. Door close doesn't work. Very basic CAD, nothing really exciting. Camera lost focus, there we go. These are your newer impulse buttons. It's your phone. Here's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2003. And there's your floor indicator. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. Taking a ride to 3. We'll listen to the motor again. Here we go up. Here on 3. Dark up here. Now we're on ground. And here are ground. Despite the basic CAD, this thing runs very well. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.